Hi, I'm Natasha Denona, and in this video, I want to show you how to create a beautiful soft cat eye and how you can amp this up into a gorgeous sparkling glam. I'm also going to add a couple of tips and tricks, and I'm going to be using the 3 products from my Mini Love collection to achieve the look. So I'm starting off with the shade True, picking it up with a flat eyeshadow brush and pressing it gently into the inner corner. Next, I'm taking Love. This is a beautiful warm pink, and pressing this onto the inner third of the eyelid with a larger eyeshadow brush. And for Dazzling Glam look, I am choosing the shade U. This is a sparkling dual chrome eyeshadow, so beautiful. You can pick this up with a damp eyeshadow brush or just with your finger, pressing it gently onto the center of the lid and also on the outer corner. And now I want to add a soft glow to the transition in the crease, so I'm taking the shade Love and I'm following the natural shape of the crease, going up and down to soften everything. And finally, with a small precision brush and the shade My, I'm framing the outer corners of the lash lines and elongating this into a soft cat eye. With the shade Amorosa from the I Need a Nude lipstick range, I am coating the lips only in the center to create an ombre effect, since I already outframed the lip line with the I Need a Nude lip crayons in Naya and Lala. And finally, for the cheeks, I am picking the cream blush from the Love Cheek Duo. You can use a blush brush, but you can also apply this product on your cheeks with your finger and then blend it softly outwards. Place it firstly on the apples of your cheeks and then blend it out upwards. And to add the glow, you can just simply pick up the impact powder with the blush brush as well, or a highlighting brush, or just with your finger and swiping this on the higher points of your cheekbones. These shades are beautiful on all skin tones, and the highlighter shifts from a pinkish tone to a golden champagne.